The ongoing conflict involving Iran in West Asia is beginning to affect several core Indian industries, with the impact extending far beyond oil and gas. Experts warn that disruptions in the region could hit key supply chains that support sectors such as steel, fertilizers, cement, and power transmission. India relies heavily on West Asia for essential industrial inputs, including limestone, sulfur, gypsum, direct reduced iron, and copper wire. According to reports, more than half of India's imports of several of these commodities originate from the region, making supply routes vulnerable amid rising tensions. The conflict has raised fears of disruptions to shipping routes, particularly the strategically crucial Strait of Hormuz, through which a significant share of global energy and trade supplies passes. Any closure or prolonged disruption could affect the availability of raw materials used in construction, manufacturing, and fertilizer production. Limestone and gypsum imports from the region play a major role in cement manufacturing, while sulfur is used in producing sulfuric acid and critical input for fertilizers and chemical industries. India's steel industry may also face challenges as some producers depend on natural gas for the direct reduced iron route of steel making. Rising energy costs and disruptions in gas supplies could slow production and increase manufacturing expenses. Industry experts say most plants depend on LPG and LNG imports, making them vulnerable to fluctuations in global energy markets. The fertilizer sector could face difficulties if supply disruptions persist for several weeks, potentially affecting domestic urea production. Meanwhile, copper wire imports used in power transmission networks and renewable energy projects may also be impacted. India's diamond processing industry could also feel the pressure as a large share of rough diamonds used in cutting and polishing hubs such as Surat are sourced from West Asia.